Hey guys, this is Callum from Oz Smart Things. Today I'm going to be showing you all three of our smart blind products and showing you what the benefits of each one is. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the Soma smart shades. This is a device that's been massively popular in Australia, the US and Europe. It has many benefits such as having a solar panel, so it's self-powered, connects directly to your phone, and also is available to be integrated with Google, Alexa and Apple HomeKit. Now we have our two Oz Smart Blind products here. This first one is the Oz Remote Blinds. It uses a remote control to operate. And next we have the Oz Wi-Fi Smart Blinds. And this one uses the Tuya Smart phone app to control and connects directly to your Wi-Fi. All three of our products are DIY installation. They come with 3M self-adhesive and can just stick to the inside of your window. All three motors are compatible with your existing blinds. There's no need to replace your blinds. It simply hooks into the existing chain. So there's two different types. There's the beaded chain on your roller blinds or slat blinds. And then there's also the sash cord that can be used for slat blinds and curtains. So these products are actually compatible with both types of blinds and will cover 99% of the blind types on the market. To operate the Soma Smart Shades, you connect to the mobile app. It connects through Bluetooth to your phone, and then you can set schedules inside the app to open and close the blinds at set times. The Oz Smart Blinds, they use a RF remote, which you can simply, once installed, is press the buttons to open, close, or stop halfway through. There's also manual buttons actually on the device, so if you don't have the remote, you can simply walk over to the blinds and press the button. In the same way, the Oz Wi-Fi blinds has the manual buttons, but has the added benefit of connecting to your Wi-Fi. Once connected to your Wi-Fi, you can control through the Tuya Smart app, which is free to use, and then open the blinds, close the blinds, a percentage as well. You can open the blinds 70%. Also, then it connects to Google and Alexa directly without a need for any additional hardware. So as mentioned before, the Soma Smart Shades has the solar panel. So the solar panel simply sticks to the inside of your window pointing outwards, and we're lucky enough in Australia to have sufficient sunlight year-round to power the device. The Oz Remote Blinds is rechargeable, so this device comes with a wall charger that then you can recharge the device once the battery is depleted. The battery will last 60 days with general use. If you're only opening twice per day, then it will last the 60 days. There is a quick release mechanism on the device which allows you to remove it and then charge it in a more convenient. The Oz Wi-Fi blinds plug into the wall. They come with a 3-meter cable. So they plug into a power point that you have nearby, and you don't need to worry about batteries. These devices have many benefits. One, for example, the Oz Remote Blinds has been very popular for the less able. Simply getting to the blinds can be very difficult and a dangerous task. So if you can simply have a remote sitting on the table, you can operate the blinds by that. You don't have to use a smartphone, as some people don't want to use a smartphone. They don't want to use voice assistants. So the remote can be a massive benefit for the people like that. The Wi-Fi blinds, obviously being compatible with Google Home and Alexa straight out the box, is a really cool feature and just opens up so much for your smart home. The Soma Smart Shades obviously is a wonderful product. It's very well regarded. So another 3 great benefits of these products is that you can save on energy bills by closing your blinds at the hottest parts of the day. Also privacy, the blinds can automatically close at night, and general security. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. We'll be doing a lot more instructional videos on all our products, and thanks for watching.